Welcome to day 9 of our 30 days Pilates program. Today we are focusing on exercise to build core stability and enhance our upper body strength. This is a quick but powerful 10-minute section that you can do anywhere, no equipment needed. Let's get started. We are going to begin with head nods to release any tensions in the neck and align the head with the spine. Lie on your back with your knee bended and arms by your side. Use your eyeline to draw a line from the top all the way down. Inhale to lengthen the back of your neck. Exhale, nod your chin slightly toward your chest. Keep your shoulder relaxed, sensing the connections between the back of your head and the neck. Slowly return to neutral. We will continue the same movement for around minutes. Next, we will work on scapular elevation and depression. This will build awareness in your shoulder blades and strengthen the muscles supporting them. Lie on your back with your arms relaxed by your side. Inhale, gently shrug your shoulder towards your ears. Exhale, slowly return them down, reaching your fingertips to the directions of your toes. We will continue the same movement around 1 minute. Next, let's move to arm circles to loosen the shoulders and mobilizing scapula. Inhale, engage your abdominal, reaching your palms towards the ceiling and start circling the arms outward in a small controlled movement. Let's reverse direction here. You are going to open to the side and circle all the way up to the ceiling and bring the palms down to the hip. Let's begin with one leg kick to target the hamstring, glutes, and quad. Lie on your stomach with your elbows under your shoulders and your forearms flat on the mat. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, bend your right knee and kick your heel towards your glute into small pulses. Focus on squeezing the back of your thighs and your glute as you kick. Lower the legs with control. We will continue the same movement around 1 minute. Let's take a break here, and then we will switch it to the other side. Next up is the open leg rocker. This is one of the great challenge balance, core stability, and spine mobility. Sit on your mat with your knees bent and hold the back of your thighs. Inhale to lift your feet off the mat, extend your leg up while maintaining your grip. Find your balance point, keeping your spine long and chest open. Exhale, engage your abs and slowly roll back, feeling a gentle massage along your spine. Inhale to come back up, maintaining that balance. So if you're having challenge coming up, just squeeze your palms into your legs. Now we will do neck pull, which is strengthen the core and stretch the spine and hamstrings. Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms behind your head, elbow wide. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, curve your head and your shoulder up, peeling your spine off the mat one vertebrae at a time. Engage your abs deeply, reaching toward your toes. Exhale, inhale, slowly lower yourself back down, feeling each part of your back connecting with the mat, keeping the movement slow and controlled. Great job today. Remember, consistency is the key. So stick with it and I will see you tomorrow for day 10. Don't forget to leave me a comment and like the video and subscribe.